The RV modules we make are to increase your fuel economy and performance on the RV. We usually make up to 30% increase in power. Using the PSI Power Truck Edition module, you'll save fuel and get more power. We make them for the come in, all the new manufacturers out. Typically you're going to lose less mile an hour going up hills. You're going to save fuel, typically 10 to 20% in fuel savings. You're going to see a little bit of increase in acceleration when you're taking off. We use all American made PCBAs. All the harnesses are made in the US, so you can expect just top-notch quality when you get this. Everything we have here has a 3-year warranty, so if you have any issues in the field, we'll take care of it. PSI Power Truck Edition RV modules, you're going to save 10 to 20% in fuel. With the fuel prices the way they are today, this will really benefit with savings of a half mile to over a mile per gallon. You can use the module whether you're towing or just without it. You're going to see that fuel savings and increased power when you need it.